In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove all your TikTok followers at once. So let's click on the bottom right where you see profile. And then to see your followers, just click on the number of followers you have and you'll see. And the manual way would just be just to click on the three dots and then you'll see remove this follower. So to remove all of them at once, just go to the top right, the three lines, and then click settings and privacy, and then click on privacy. And you might want to set your account as a private account since you want to remove all your followers and you want to stop other people from following you. So just enable this private account. And then from here, just go all the way down until you, or sorry, you go back and then you go all the way down. And to remove your all your followers, you have to ask TikTok privately or directly to remove them. So click on privacy and over here, chat with us. And then from here, just tell them that you want to, I want to remove all my followers from my account. And then you send it, and then they'll get back to you with actual responses like from the team. So you just gotta wait and they'll do it for you. And that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.